if you still can't see any orders appear in your Groupon connector, the service for synchronization tends to run on an hourly basis. But if you would like to force some orders through to check what status orders are, what you can do is press check Groupon orders, and this will do this for you. And if you need to process some orders to Groupon, and you don't want to wait for the Groupon to automate this, you can force this by pressing process to Groupon, and this will update Groupon control panel with your processed orders.